Introducing Sheba Microsystems' revolutionary MEMS Autofocus Actuator for active athermalization in embedded vision cameras, used in drones, action cameras, automotive, machine vision, and mobile robotics. Embedded vision cameras often face challenges in maintaining image quality and focus stability during temperature fluctuations as the optics undergo thermal expansion. While smartphones use electromagnetic autofocus actuators, they are not reliable for embedded vision cameras due to extreme environmental conditions and larger optics. Other autofocus systems in market, such as tunable lenses, lack thermal stability and compromise optical quality. Sheba's MEMS actuator compensates for thermal expansion by moving the lightweight sensor instead of moving the lenses. Sheba's silicon-based MEMS actuator is thermally stable, fast, precise, low power, and small in size. It's also highly rugged, which helps maintain image focus during high shocks in action cameras or machine vision environments. Sheba's MEMS actuator provides consistent optimal image quality across temperature ranges, lens design flexibility, and is suitable for near and far field imaging. The technology ensures accurate object detection, enhances safety, and is ideal for autonomous vehicles and AI image processing, where image quality is paramount and split-second decisions based on those images matter. Never compromise on the optical quality of your camera. Ensure it is always in focus. To learn more and order your evaluation kit today, visit ShebaMicrosystems.ca.